today. I can't wait to share with you some of my favorite Blippi moments. Woohoo! Yellow, green, purple, red. There's so many.
Yay!
Whoa! Look what's inside. It's a little boat. I know. Let's play sink or float. Here we go. It floats. Here we go to the 7 seas. Woo! Look, let's see if this tractor sinks or floats. Whoa! Look, it floats. Wait a minute. It sinks. Whoa! It looks like a locomotive. Choo-choo! It floats. Whoa! Whoa! A purple car! Whoa! It sinks! It's cake! Let's see if it sinks or floats. It floats! Ooh, I'm so excited. It's ice cream! It floats! Whoa, look at this blue ball! I wonder what happens when I touch it. Whoa! It doubled? Let's press it again. Okay, here we go. Ah! It doubled again! Wait a minute. Let's press it another time. Here we go! Whoa, check it out. It doubled again. Yeah, it multiplied by 2. Let's keep pressing them. Yeah! Look at all of them! Here we go! Uh-oh! Whoa! Whoa! That was fun! How do I get out of here? Speaking of learning, I absolutely love learning about new construction vehicles! Woohoo! Yeah! They're really great to help build, move, and do all sorts of super cool things. And there's even one construction vehicle that I love to sing about. Do you know what vehicle that is? Yeah, that's right, the excavator. Here we go.
I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. I've got a great big arm and a great big boom. If I start digging now, I'll be done real soon. I'm an earth separator. I'm an excavator. I've got a big old bucket and I scoop all the time, digging holes in the ground, wonder what I'll find. I'm an earth investigator. I'm an excavator. Oh, can't you see that I don't have feet? No feet? How do you get around? I roll on tracks to get to where I need to be. I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator.
Whoa! I just love dinosaurs, like this T-Rex. And I love the dinosaur song. Whoa! It is so much fun to dance and dress up like dinosaurs when you're listening to some tunes. Hey, let's dress up right now. What is it? Whoa! It's a dinosaur!
Roar! I'm a dinosaur!
Stomp, 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 do the dino dance. Stomp, 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 do the dino dance. Wiggle your tail and clap your hands. Stomp, 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 do the dino dance. Now stop.
Roar!
Roar! Stomp, and clap your hands. Stomp, 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 do the dino dance. Now stop! Roar! Can you name that dinosaur? 1, 2, 3 horns at the top. Whoa!
It must be a triceratops.
Yeah! Do the dino dance. Stomp, 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 do the dino dance. Stomp, 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 do the dino dance. Wiggle your tail and clap your hands. Stomp, 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 do the dino dance.
I'm going to climb to the top of the volcano.
Don't do it. I've heard it's very dangerous.
Bye. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I made it. Watch out for Bead Lake. Ah! Oh no, call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor. I'm a doctor. We have to operate immediately. Grab the forceps. Is he gonna make it? Did you know that doctors for animals are called veterinarians? We've done it! Whoa! You saved him! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you!
Stegosauruses were bigger than elephants, but their brains were the size of a peppermint. Triceratops had 3 horns on their head in case they ever needed to defend. The Brachiosaurus had a really long neck, and at the end was an itty-bitty head. Pterodactyls would soar through the sky. Their wings were enormous in size, and if they stood up straight on the ground, they would be as tall as a giraffe. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs. Oh, I love dinosaurs. The Tyrannosaurus Rex, the king of the dinosaurs. They'd roam the land on their big back legs and let out a mighty roar. They were large and fierce, and they only ate meat. They had the biggest, sharpest teeth, but my little tiny arms are always just kinda hanging there off of my body. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs. Oh, I love dinosaurs.
Whoa! So far today, we've explored so many different ways to learn. Sink or float with balls, animals like dinosaurs, and we even learned about construction vehicles like excavators. So, let's finish off the day by talking about more vehicles. Emergency vehicles, whoa! But what kind of emergency vehicle should we talk about? Yeah! Fire trucks! I'm so excited, come on! Whoa! It's a 6! Come on, let's find it! 6!
Ready? I wonder what it is.
Whoa! It's a red fire truck! I'm a firefighter! Whoa, a fire! Get my hose! Oh, it's so
That's a loud noise. I wonder what's happening.
Hey, Blippi, there's a cat stuck on top of a building across town. We need to save her.
Oh no! How do we get there?
We can drive in the rescue vehicle.
Let's go! Look, there's a chicken crossing the road. There's the cat. Let's go try and get it. How do we get up there?
Look, a bend.
Ready? Push. Come on. Whoa.
I could ride a fire truck. Fire truck, oh fire truck. I wish I could ride a fire truck.
I wish I could wake up in the fire station to the sound of a fire bell. I'd slide down the fire pole and go wee
All the way down. I wish I could hook the hose to the hydrant, spray the water on the fire. I wish I could climb the giant ladder way up high and say I'm here to save the day. Fire truck, fire truck. I wish I could ride a fire truck.
Whoa! That was so much fun! I had so much fun learning and playing today. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Yeah, great! Okay, here we go. B-L-I-P-P-I! Blippi! Woohoo! Good job. Well, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
B-L-I